On July 7, 2024, Eddie Cross, biographer of President Emerson Mnangagwa, took a bold stand against Zimbabwe's rampant corruption. He revealed shocking levels of graft within both the government and private sectors. Cross highlighted how exorbitant taxes like VAT on food and live cattle sales are crushing everyday Zimbabweans. But the most damning revelation? The theft of diamonds from the Marange fields, estimated at nearly $30 billion since 2006. Cross didn't mince words. He called the situation unsustainable and demanded urgent reforms. His message is clear. Transparency, accountability, and fair taxation are vital for Zimbabwe's future. This is not just a critique, it's a call to action. Zimbabwe, the time for change is now. Will the government and private sector heed this call? Only time will tell. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's demand a better future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.